Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, this is Muskan and I make videos about fashion, beauty and everything that comes into my mind. So if you are interested in these kind of contents, please consider subscribing to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up cause give it. So as from the title, you guys already know it's going to be a trendy high-waisted denim haul. So I always like the idea of styling denims. You can pair these denims with cute tops and you are good to go, and the whole outfit look very pretty and chic. So I never had the different kind of denim. So I recently got a few pairs from Myntra and Urbanic. So I'm gonna review that, and it's also going to be a must-have denim which you need in your college wardrobe. There are different kind of denim which are available in the market, like a tapered, slouchy, straight fit, wide leg, boot cut. So you can buy according to your type and style. So let's start with the video. So the very first denim that I bought is this black color tapered denim, and it is from Myntra from the brand called Ether, and I bought this in size 28 क्योंकि जब मैंने ये order किया था तब 26 available नहीं था. And it's a very nice pair of denim, black denim, and it's tapered from the thighs and goes straight from the bottom. And the price, I don't remember the price, so I will put somewhere on the screen. And I think it's really a good steal deal. It's really so moving on to the second denim which I got is this white color straight denim, and it's from Myntra from the brand called Mustang Harbor. And I really wanted a white denim from the longest time, and इसका साइज़ 28 है क्योंकि 26 अवेलेबल नहीं था. तो ये थोड़ा सा लूज़ है मुझे, बट ओवरऑल इट्स अ नाइस पेयर एंड इट्स अ स्ट्रेट फिट denim, so it is straight from bottom and above as well. And इसका material similar to the previous one. I don't know what it is, but yeah, and it's a bit light material. So moving on to the another pair which I got, and ये मेरा favorite है out of all cause it's a boot cut come wide leg jeans, and it is also from Myntra from the brand called Streetline, और I am in the size 26 और ये 26 में available था, so I got it in 26, and it's the actual copy of Zara, and it looks really pretty and it's really very high waisted, and it is it got these two knee rib and also the side slit, and which is so trendy these days. And when I saw this jeans and I was like, I wanna get this. So it's really very pretty and it fits me like a glove, and I love it. So big thumbs up. So as I mentioned earlier, it is also going to be a must-have denim haul. So मैंने जो अभी तक पहले दिखाए black, white and the blue one, it's really must-have, क्योंकि आप अगर black, white और blue denim में invest करते हो तो वो आपके most of the outfit के साथ match हो सकते हैं. So yeah, and the another pair that I'm gonna show you is this wide leg jeans, and it is from Urbanic. And I also showed this denim in my previous must-have videos, and it got this cut over here which looks so pretty. The material is so nice and thick, and the wash is really amazing, and it is in the size small क्योंकि ऑर्गेनिक में आई गेस स्मॉल, मीडियम एंड लार्ज ही अवेलेबल रहते हैं, एक्सेस अवेलेबल नहीं था. सो आई गॉट दिस ऑल्टर्ड फ्रॉम द बॉटम and it looks so pretty and I love this denim. I got this. So moving on to the another and the last item, which is must for your denim collection, is the skinny denims. I know people are hating on skinny denims. Trust me, skinny jeans are also very important in your denim collection. So I have this dark wash denim denim which got these rips, and I got this from the local market. I thrifted this. So that's all for today's video. Hope you found this helpful, and if you did, then comment down below which one is your favorite, and like, share and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.